Well, spring has sprung, so you can see we've already got the vegetable garden going pretty good. We've got some peppers and some zucchinis growing. There's a zucchini there. We've already got the sugar snap peas have been going through the winter, so those are growing pretty well. Got some radishes coming up down here, and carrots. Always do carrots. And then the fruit trees have already flowered out and now they're leafing. So the peach tree has got leaves all over it. And the apricot tree has got leaves growing on it. The grapes are starting to bud. So spring is definitely here. But the vegetable garden is all ready. But now it is time to clean up the yard. That's a mess, and it's going to take a while to clean it up. So I got to get all the weeds pulled, get everything cleaned, and then clean up the pool. Now when I get the pool ready for the summer season, because I think we're going to use it a lot more this time, hopefully, if Jody doesn't break her leg again. So let's get started. We got a lot of work to do. So we got the patio all cleaned up, got the lawn cleaned up, even cleaned up the garden bed with the artichokes in it. Got the garden path cleaned up and weeded and pulled out all the dead stuff and everything. Got the little deck cleaned up, did a lot of work today, and got a lot done. Didn't get to the pool. I'll have to get to the pool tomorrow. But that's okay. It wasn't really too hot today anyway. And we've got an engagement we got to go to, so done for the day. But we did a good job. Tomorrow we'll get the pool all cleaned up. And then we got something coming. Hi, Stormy. Hi, Stormy. Alright, we got the yard and the garden cleaned up yesterday, and today it's time to tackle the pool. I'm sure it's going to be a horrible mess because it's been neglected all winter, but we'll get it done. So let's take a look and see what we have to work with. might be worse than I thought. I'm going to put a fresh filter in the pump to filter out all the algae. I'll let the pump run to filter out some of the algae while I go to the hardware store and get some shock treatment. Pour in the right amount of shock treatment and scrub the pool again. Then while the shock treatment is running through the filter, I will clean up the pool cover. Coming along and looking a lot better. It was pretty scummy and full of junk. We've gotten all the junk cleared out, shocked it, letting the filter run with the super chlorinated shock treatment in there. Hopefully that'll clean up some of that greenness, get rid of the whatever algae is left over, and then it'll be ready. Probably take a day or two to clean it up real good and clear up the water. I do have one other little trick, which is this little vacuum. I have a little pool vacuum that you hook the hose up to, and it fills it up with water while you're vacuuming. So I'll do that now, make sure I pick up the rest of just the little bits that are in the bottom, and get some of this dead algae out of it, and hopefully in a couple of days it'll be all cleaned up and clear and ready to heat up and use.
It didn't even take a full day to clear up. The next day, the water was clean and clear. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I built this stock tank pool, I'll add a card up top. And to see the new pool light we got, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I post that video. And thanks for watching.